Hey everyone, we're adding new content and features to needagentnow.com every week. So we decided to go ahead, do a video every week just to kind of give you an idea as to what's new, what's changed, almost like a patch update for an app. So for this week, we added a bunch of new content. It's all based around the home buying process. So things like where to start your home search, who's involved in the home buying process, an overview of the process itself, as well as a quick guide to open houses. And so we're going to teach you all about that, but we've also included some interactive features in there just to kind of help guide you with making those decisions and planning out the home purchase for yourself. We're also making it easier for you to connect with us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube by adding a social bar to the website. And finally, we added a tap.bio to our Instagram page, and that'll allow you to access the entire education hub as well as learn more about individual posts directly from Instagram. So check it out, let us know what you think, needagentnow.com. And if you have any feedback, questions, comments, anything that you want us to create content for, let us know in the comments below, and I'll have another update for you next week.